Okay, this wood is rounded. All right. I want to make a garden ladder, and to make it, it would run about at least $12 if I use Dollar Tree wood. So I went to Home Depot and I got this, and it was, each piece was like 66, I think, for $1.98. And then they had one that was 75% off, which ran, half of $2 would be $1, and then half again gives you 75, which would be about 50 cents. It was less than 50 cents. I was doing this outside. I'm in Michigan. It started raining, so I had to come into my trailer, which is very cramped, and move everything. But anyways, we'll get through this. So it's less expensive to buy your lumber from Home Depot unless you're sponsored or something by Dollar Tree. I don't know why you would pay 3 times more to make a ladder. I hope you can see this. Not that you probably don't already know how to do it, but, and I'm sure some of you are probably pros at this, but I just held this down. And my line. This is probably one of the craziest ideas the piece that's left is more than 13 inches if you want another middle. I wasn't sure exactly how to get this in without any help. So what I did was just happened to work out that way. Flush against the wall, and I'm getting ready to redo the wall, so I wasn't worried about. Anyways, that was neat. And then I laid it like this to start my get my nail started. Right? And then I found the middle and proceeded to, okay, this is the rough finish. It's nailed together. It needs more nails. If you can move these around, you shouldn't be able to do that. This one has enough nails, but I'll add some more nails and it'll be all set, and see how easy that is.